Hello. Sorry about this, guys. I just arrived home at 6 p.m. and that wasn't planned at all, but it is what it is. Hello, welcome all. Welcome to the Graveyard Club. I was said, grab a drink, enjoy the show, and sorry about the delay. Hey Arman, congrats on the first. I still didn't think of anything about. Hey Levy, thank you for checking out on me on YouTube. Because yes, I'm on YouTube as well. Why didn't I link it in Twitch chat? I don't know. But let me do it right now. And hey Umbra, welcome you little slut. How are you guys today? Because I'm kind of content. I had a fine day. Or not fine. Let's say I had a fine day. We are at home at the same time, so romantic. It could be. I'm fucking stoked. Check me out on YouTube. That's there, and pin that shit. Pin it. End of the stream. Hey, let's go. So yeah, I was with friends, most of you know that Kiki Kakadu, and we've been talking. I've been helping out with some tech stuff for him, and in return I got some quite nice food. Oh yeah, it was nice. I am, let's say, well-fed right now. A well-fed zombie. So no complaints from me on that side, luckily. But you guys did not come here to watch me yet about my day. YouTube chat doesn't show Twitch chat, just saying, I know, Levy, and I didn't create a widget for that yet, but I might be able to do that with StreamerBot later on, but that's right now not a priority. But hey, that's not a bad idea. Your own relay bot, basically. Yeah, why not? Remind me of that, Levy. Anyway, where was I? Alright. No, I know, right? I can't remember where was I. So how about we just start in what we came here for? Continue on OBS working. How about that? So let's go over to display this one. And before you ask, yes, I got a new background picture, because why the hell not? Third of all, there is no open Discord. Thank you very much. Not today. But you know what we have? Song request? Yes, song request. Let me just start it up. And you should be able to hear it. Right? Right. So on Twitch, you can steal a song request. Yeah. And that looks like this. So, yep, the new background is amazing. It was made by a lovely artist who created Angel PNG as well. Hey Josh, welcome. Welcome to Graveyard Club. Have a seat. Grab a drink, enjoy the show. I'm doing well. Hey, Algori, thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. So yeah, how are you guys? Hope you guys doing well. And yeah, I want to show is Tian Shiko. Is who created that Twitch/Tian Shiko, who created that background and created the angel design as well. So let me, hopefully I can find something. 8 months ago, Jesus, last month. She haven't been streaming a lot, but she's an amazing artist. Oh, you should give a follow. But yeah, last time. So from last stream, I was still using Stream Elements as chat, but now okay, let me start because I'm still just getting myself together. Last time, I was still using the Otter chat widget, which collects both YouTube and Twitch chat at the same time and displays it. That was what do you call it? Cluster Labs caffeinated. But since then, Streamer bot 0.2.4 came out, which can do the same thing. Here you can see it even, which I'm using this one right now, which is amazing, but it doesn't have that ping sound that I'm used to. So seeing the chat is looking at the chat is gonna be a bit harder. But yeah, I did ask for that, so here it is on the official Streamer bot IDs and suggestion site. So hopefully it's not too hard thing for ask, and we'll get it soon. Also, I need to remake the gamer bulk banner over there because it lingers too much, and we can make it fancier. But again, that's just me yapping. That's not what's important right now. What's important right now is that what is here? Oh, fucking hell, I forgot to change the Twitch. I knew I forgot something. Why didn't nobody tell me I forgot to change on Twitch? Zombie is fiddling. It doesn't matter what I am because it's go live notification. Oh. On request. Oh.
This is fine. I'm okay with the events that are unfolding.
No, Tecto, this is not fine, but hey, welcome, Tecto, welcome. Welcome to the Graveyard Club. I was saying, grab a drink, enjoy the show. And I need to put this here. Hopefully. It'll work better now. Or if it... Why are you like this? Why aren't you like normal? Jesus. I'm all over the place because I could not do the usual stream preparation, so I am just all over the place.
One of the top 5 regrets people have is that they didn't have the courage to be their true self.
True. Jash, thank you for the lurk, but you never answered me. How are you, Jash? And how are you, Tecto? How is everybody? But nobody's telling me how they are. How was their day? Everybody's just ignoring me yapping. It's fine, Jess. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Jess, same. I am all over the place. But take your time, Jess, and you can get yourself together, as I'm trying right now. And Tecto, you're good. That's good to hear. That's good to hear. Hope. I don't know how the background noise is gonna be because today is a national holiday, and around 8 p.m. here, so in 2 hours, there usually some fireworks. Because again, it's the what's the word for it? The birth of our nation, basically. Josh, doing okay. Ishtu just left an hour ago. Oh, what do you mean? Ishtu was by you? Nice. No. Tecto, no, please don't. We're on YouTube. Don't. My face is finally open. So, Josh, will you stream soon? Because we get that he was there. And Levi, I'm headachy because the weather change. Yeah. That was yesterday for us, Levi, so welcome to or yesterday. Come on, Josh. Stream again. You enjoyed it as well, don't you? Let me just start up everything I need to. So yeah, what's the I did, but stuff have sense, and I don't think I can. That makes sense. I don't need you right now. What I need is the other streamer bot. Is this the one or this is the one? That's the one. No. Oh, Jesus, I almost clicked it. And this is, check the beta one, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is it, the one. But I'm working on stuff for comeback. Nice, I've seen some of that and I'm awaiting that. So, what did I do since last time? Well, I did improve a few things here and there. So we have our TV intro scene, right? We have no noise for that now. And the transition needs a little bit of boot up. First poking, so it works. But after that, it should be working quite nicely. I added the sounds. Let me just stop the music for a sec. Stop this and come over here. See? Transition away from the TV. Quite nice, as you could see. And transition between two scenes should be... No, why are you not working? Just needed a boot up time for some reason. Don't know why it is like that. But the first time it never works. But after that, no issue. Also, if you see... Yes, why are you not... Why are you not working? Yesterday you worked, you little shit. I did so.
Lola, it's the hot zombie granddaddy.
Hey, Amy, welcome, welcome. Also, Tacto. Tacto, I don't know if you're still here or you're just waiting for a lull, but you didn't do anything yet. Hey, Amy, welcome to the Graveyard Club. Have a seat, grab a drink, enjoy the show. How are you? I am fine. It's just a bit all over the place because I just arrived home. I'm still just booting up for stream. And for some reason, this one doesn't want to work. Which is just... Vertical noise. Review scene. Yesterday you still work, you bitch. Here it is. I guess you need to be selected again. I don't know anymore what the hell is going on here. Let's go with this one, back to this. Filter select is the wrong one. We need a vertical one, with static transition. And this one. Huh? Huh? The hell? This ain't working. And how are you, Amy? How are you? And Josh, I'm working on stuff for comeback. And can I ask what that is? Or is that a national secret? Yeah, but this is it. Yeah, this enable vertical TV noise. So why are you a little bitch and not working? Now you worked. Oh, there it was. Huh. Back to the intro scene then. It switched back to as well. From the intro scene, I can go to, and you can hear the sound as well. We can go to the bar, and it switch like a TV. We're going to not a random scene, and it switches like a TV as well. It's quite nice. But today, what did I plan? Is to set up my gaming scene. And my gaming scene is usually, well, kind of complicated, kind of not. It just, I found my own way to create it and I can easily automate it in a sense. Because what I usually do is not something I would recommend people to do either, but it works. So let me enable the music again, so there is some background noise. What I do is, first of all, I create a scene that is a gaming scene. Show scene, show gaming. Kind of complicated, kind of not. Hey, Amy, thank you for the stream streak. I'm tired, haven't had a good sleep in days. Jesus, Why are you not sleeping, Amy? The heat is getting to you. And kind of. Levy, you will see when. Levy, you will see when I'm saying it's kind of complicated, kind of not. Gaming. It's quite simple. And I'm creating in the vertical one as well. Odd. Yes. Scene. Gaming. Well, Insomnia Nightmares, Jesus. I hope you... Well, is there any help we can offer you, Amy? And link scene to gaming. There is a reason why even this transition is long. So if we go back to here and back to here, see, the statics are kind of synced up. Wait will be better eventually. Thank you for asking that. You're welcome, Amy. NaGeL, your subtitles went off, by the way. Why? Come back here, subtitles. You are needed. You are needed. Or which subtitles you mean? The YouTube one? Also, does the Twitch one work even? Because last time I checked, it should be working. I'm not so sure anymore. Let me check. Yeah, there is caption. Nice. Okay, it works. All right, everything works. Thank you, Levy. So, what I do on this gaming scene is the following. First of all, I import as my model scene, which I will be working on a little bit later on again. Stream VTuber model master scene. It's here. And with that, my microphone, everything is here as well. And then I also import another scene, which I did not create yet. But those scenes are simple. Simple? Is it simple? I don't think so. We'll see. It is gaming scenes, which I'm creating a folder for here. But that's gonna be scene elements. So let's go inside that. Because here in scene elements, I'm gonna add a scene, another one. That I'm gonna call scene game master. Master scene. You know what? Let's forget the scene. Wait, no, there's no show. Scene element game. What the hell? Does freaking tabs? Game master scene. And there is a reason why I'm doing it like this. We'll tell you soon, don't worry. And let's add it here as well. Now what? I want to listen to some other music. Can I? Yes, I can. Since it won't be recorded in the VOD, I can easily. Yay. So what I want is electro swing. You know what? Let's try this one. This ain't a playlist. Where is the playlist? Okay, I have a playlist. Does this work with media request? One way to find out. I guess that's no. But if I go to settings and use the backup playlist, and I go back, and play the next song, I am smart. NaGeL, what your favorite ice cream flavor is? For me, it's strawberry or lemon. Now, of course, there is song request, so you can ask for song request. This is just gonna play in the background now. So yeah, my favorite ice cream is either strawberry or lemon. Scene vertical. Scene element. Game master. And I can link this with that one. Now if I go back here, I can add this another scene. And search for game master scene. Same here. I didn't have even my model in the vertical scene, which I need to figure it out later on how to do that. When I actually start working on my model scenes as well, because right now I just throw something together. Scenes, and I want a master list. And that's there. Now after that, I like to do in the game is create a new scene that I dub a scene, game capture, as you see, this is the tag, and the name of the game. And the game I'm gonna try it with right now is called something like Incremental Factory. And just for testing it out, the factory must grow. That's the tagline for the game. And just the game is just spreadsheet the game. Factory game that it's all about this. Fucking mining out stuff, processing it, and just optimizing. That's the game. There's nothing else. But this is a perfect game for testing. And I called the scene. Hey, Sada, welcome. Welcome to the Graveyard Club. Have a seat. Grab a drink, enjoy the show. How are you? And incremental factory. Why are you pissed? I am doing good, just slowly getting into the groove. Keep doing this, champion. Thank you, Adis Tades. Thank you. Thank you. And welcome to the Graveyard Club. Have a seat. Have a drink, enjoy the show. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. I am open for any question. I didn't put a topic. Then I will ask you later on. And after back to this scene. After I created this scene, I usually go and add an actual game capture that I label as GC as game capture, incremental factory, and not capture any full screen application. No, capture a specific window. And game built on Chromium cannot be captured using game capture. Use Windows Capture Display Capture instead. Well, not the best test, but hey, if I happen to have this, just delete it. Is in fact the reason I'm confident on streaming Outer Worlds. Wait, what? What? It doesn't. Huh? How does Outer Worlds goes with political stuff? I'm missing some context. Window capture, incremental factory. Or I can even label this as game capture because basically it is a game. Instead of write it in DMs for me because I am interested now. And not streamer, but incremental factory. And look at that capture. And we can capture even audio. And force us the SDR, please. Yesterday. Amy, how and what did you do? And since my main display is in HDR, I need to click on Force HDR. But yeah. But it does indeed work because hello. You can even, okay, the size is not correct. I need to fix the size here. Let me do that quite nicely. Because the whole window size is not currently captured. It has some small, it's fine. But yeah, you can see this here. Well, I wasn't able to sleep, so punching my... Well, I wasn't able to sleep, so I punched myself. Why did you punch yourself? Fucking hell, Amy, that's not how you go to sleep. And anyways, the day after tomorrow, I'm donning the birthday. So your birthday is on 22nd. I'm immediately telling this to Moon. Moon, we figured it out. It's not at all his birthday. She knows? How does she know? And I'm the last one to know. Well, fuck you guys then. Some friends you guys are. Levi, it's day after tomorrow. What's tomorrow and what's after that? Anyway. Just note a little bit amount before thing. Okay, Moon. Okay. And let's ask Moon what Amy's birthday is, just so I can write it up. Levi essay goes to the list. Anyway, back to working on this. Okay, we have this here now. Why is this any good? Because if we go back to the game master scene, we edit here.
Never trust someone with graph paper ... They're always plotting something.
God damn it, Baker. No. That was bad. Increment the factory. And here it is. And if I go to the here, well, no one can know my birthday. I should. Even Moon doesn't know. Okay. So yeah. Amy, you are safe still so far. So why is this any good? Because whenever I change anything in Game Master scene, like adding here another scene, like the bar one, and just if I want to switch between games, I just turn off and on. That's it. That's all a setup I need for any games. I go to studio mode, go back to the game master scene, turn off I don't want, turn on I do want. And you know what's the nice thing about this? It can be automated because it's so formulaic. Create a new scene. Oh. Create a new scene. Add a game capture in that. Add the new scene into the game master scene. And display it. And turn off every others as well. And that's it. That's the whole thing. It can be automated. And that's what I want to do today. Because even in my current setup, it is like that. So I'm just showing you guys this one. And turning on studio mode. So I don't switch away from you guys. But all I say is September. Wake me up when September ends. But hey, my death day is in September as well. Oh, Jesus. My death day is sooner than a month. I haven't planned anything for that. Anything. Anyway. Wait, when? Well, mine is not top secret because I already told it a few times on stream, but mine is 16th, September 16th. That's my death day. It's not my birthday because I'm already dead. It is my death day. But you guys can see here that I have a games master list and all the games I ever played is here. Oh, Amy, how close? How close? Can I ask how close? And as you guys can see, all the games I ever played are here. And I can just turn off and on whichever I want. And for the games itself are here, which is basically the same thing, just game capture, game capture, game capture. Oh, that's not. That's different as well. And I can customize each game how I like it. Like, for example, Smite has this background sometimes because it was still an ultra wide. And I think Helldivers 2 had the panels as well when it was ultra wide here. So I can customize it however I want it. Even give itself some own filters if I ever wanted to, but never did. Yes, Amy, you should tell me that. So yeah, even here I use this method. And again, as I found that it's pretty formulaic. Sada, agree to that. Please agree. Sada, just do it. And yeah. Let's test another game. Another simple one. Sada, all you need to do is tell Amy that yes, he should tell me. That's it. What is a simple game that I can just run it right now? A voice range is still on, installed. God damn it, Sada. God damn it. And voice ranger is on. I'm not pressing anything. You're just going to create a new scene. I'm blaming you, Sada, because it's on you right now. Amy said so. And even Levi is asking, Amy, is it plus or minus days? Game capture. Void. Ranger. And game capture. GC. Void. Stranger. Capture specific window, voice ranger, capture audio. See, it works. It just works. And I even can transform fit to screen and transform. Edit transform, bounding box. Scale to inner bounds, perfect. Alignment. Perfect. I add this to the game master scene. I'm blaming you, South African Majesty. Yeah. It does happen sometimes. I don't need the bar anymore. But I can add a different one. A scene. Voice Ranger. And again, I can start wrote the one I'm interested in. And as you can see, it does reflect here as well. So if I start back up the incremental factor, incremental factory. Well, yes, Amy. The factory must grow. And you can even see it in the background because if we go back to studio mode, game master scene, it's right there. See? And it all because 99 September. We know the year now. At least. Or is it not a year? Anyway, what I want to do is automate it here. So when something detects that this game is running, I want it to activate the corresponding scene in the game master scene. Okay, I tell you it's September 10th. Oh, okay. Again, 6-day difference. But if it's 99, then you're like, yeah, pretty much. Okay. And of course, Moon is missing out on this. Missing out on a birthday. Don't worry about that. Of course. No one tell the child. Too late. Soda is threatening you about it already. And I think this can also detect it. Detect game. So let's check it out. Is there external program or something? Window. What do you mean window? Window title match. No. Oh, process. Your process is running and focused. Jesus, what is that there in the chat? I can incremental factor. Let's start incremental factory so this can see it. Hopefully again. Current foreground incremental factory, yes. And do you see it, bitch? You don't. Why not? Bitch. Oh, fuck. I don't want to process. Incremental factory is running. then I want you to not switch scene, but scene item visibility on gaming master scene, select item, hide. Can I set everything here? Yeah, hide all sources. And then only points only for certain. Come on, Pops, you can make them permanent for each stream. I could. What? I don't want to be overrun by chunkers. But hey, Blaze, welcome to the Graveyard Club. Have a seat, grab a drink, enjoy the show.
Come on, bagel. 30 minutes of TV on screen is not enough bagel.
What do you mean not enough bagel? You're always here. You can talk, bagel. So shut up. I mean, I do the same, but I clear them between streams. Amy, the nut is only on the 3D model. Thank God. And after that, can you duplicate yourself? I don't even need to duplicate. But this is his duplicate. And only show source item, incremental factory. So if I let this run, so if currently I set up that if it notices the incremental factory.exe running and is focused, it should run, that it should hide every scene here and just enable incremental factory. And for extra effect, we can also add another one so that we should switch to that scene. Switch scene, program scene 2, gaming, and that's it. So we're going over to the bar. Let's exit studio mode. Let's go over to the bar. And it's... Imagine turning 3D NaGeL into Bagel. No. First Angel, then maybe Bagel. First Angel. Right, I never set that up, didn't I? Yeah, I forgot to set that up. Next time. But I will set up Angel. That's one. But first I want to see if this works. Increment. I'm starting increment the factory, and if everything works, it works. Hey, it works. Can I set the same up? A bigger angel version called Angel. Jesus, no. I can be your devil or your angel. No. Let's duplicate you. Duplicate macro. Detect game 2 for now. Yes. And instead of incremental factory, it's void stranger. Imagine a little shit called Angle. Angel, but bagel version. No. Bagel is more than enough. Voice Ranger.exe is there, and did this get updated with Voice Ranger? No, it did not. Audio, that shit, then back to process. So we can find voice Ranger. Where the hell are you? Void Ranger. There you are. Hide our sources and enable the Voice Ranger one. We'll go back to the bar. And if everything is worked according to plan, I focus Voice Ranger and it goes to the Voice Ranger one. It enables the Voice Ranger. Why did not it enable the Voice Ranger one? I did enable it. Nice. Okay. It works in the background. Hello there. The issue with this is not automatic. So how can I make this automatic? Well, probably I can get the current running process, don't I? Probably by... Okay, delete you.
We've got company. We've got company.
Hello, Raiders. I'm sorry, a bit all over the place, but welcome, Raiders. Welcome to the Graveyard Club. Have a seat, grab a drink, enjoy the show. Hey, Jean-Dark, how was your stream? I hope you had a nice time, hogy lehet magyarul is kéne beszélnem, hogy üdvözöllek titeket itt. But I'm mainly an English streamer, but welcome, Raiders. Milyen volt a stream? How was your stream? I hope you're doing well. And for the new viewers, I am NaGeL Bailey, Zombies at your service. I'm currently creating a new OBS setup and showing tips and tricks that I'm doing here. Yeah, I saw that you were streaming. Titanfall 2 streameltél, ugye? Kell lépnem tétből. Mert ott lörköltem. But yeah, Titanfall 2 az egy klasszikus játék. De az új nézőknek, én főleg angol streamelek, és szeretném, hogy angolul is maradna a stream, szóval vissza is váltok angolra. Welcome all, I'm NaGeL Bailey, Zombies at your service. I am slowly transitioning to a tech streamer, and that's why I'm creating a new OBS setup and showing some tips and tricks. Right now, what I did create is, well, if I go this place, I have a TV with sound and all that. Quite nice, right? CRT effect, everything. No videos were used in this. And if I go over to the bar scene, it just turns on the channel and we go into it. And welcome to the bar scene. The next one, it just turns the channel and we go into the third one. So yeah, this is what I do. Or at least I plan to do more of it and create tutorials for it as well. But first of all, I just want to show my cat that I know what I'm talking about. But yeah. And also, Jean, if you are tired, go and rest as well. But thank you for raid. Pihenjél, Jean, ha pihenni kell. So yeah, back to the coding part, which was other scene switcher. My part was Köszönöm, Zsant, köszönöm. Do I get a variable or variable name? Don't we get the increment process name at least or something? But that was fine. Fucking hell. Source name. Yes, yes, yes. And now it is Google time because I don't know. All right. I almost forgot. Advent said scene switcher got an update, right? Because right now I'm using one. Fuck yeah, I did a do. You did what, Sada? I did. This is 1.6, 1.26.4, and the new version. I did a do. What do you mean, Sada? And there's a new version out that is 1.26.1. Here. And I need to download the new one, but I need their weekend process because I need the help cat. Hey Munya, welcome, Munya. How are you? How you been? And you can intersect person list for honestly if you focus that. All right. Yes. Can I get the name of the process? Hey Munya, how are you? Now the only question is how do I make the do work with Twitch? I still don't know what you're talking about. I wish I could help you, but I don't know. And I need... Because I know when I'm talking about a slideshow, it does have some variables. And I'm searching for macro property. Huh? Not wait, macro. What the hell? I'm talking about the do I did. I don't know what that do is. How are you, Munya? How are you? That's the issue I'm having here, so I don't know what the do is. Oh, that's yes. specific to the VTube Studio. Okay. It does that. Alright. I think I'm starting to get what you're meaning about. But if Sada, I can answer you if you can ask me a specific thing and what are you trying to achieve with what? I cannot answer you if you do not if you are not clear with me. I want to make it so that the dough is done when a redeem is made. That's a bit harder now because that requires external program or hotkey that you actually do it yourself. But it can be whatever you want, whatever works with VTube Studio. I know what Sada is talking about. Sada wants to make it so when you do a redeem, then it activates action in VTube Studio. Like thank you for that. I like that exactly. This is even VTube Studio. But for that, I'm using an external application, and that is not this one. Go back into this one. Sorry to flashbang, but yeah, here is it. Which when somebody redeems the headpad, the zombie, it sends a VTube Studio to trigger the headpad. So you need an external program that can do this. Then I'm going to stay with hotkey now. Okay. But if you want the simplest one, then I can recommend you. Hey, Fee, welcome to the Graveyard Club. Have a seat, grab a drink, enjoy the show. How are you? If you have any question with OBS or StreamerBot, feel free to ask it. Mix it. I can offer you Mix It Up, Sada, because this one is more easier on the easier side, but it's more limited than StreamerBot. So if you want something easy, Mix It Up is almost perfect. Hell, I can even show you because it is installed for me. Or I hope it is. Here it is. Mix It Up. Mix It Up.exe. I'm wonderful, very exhausted. Can I ask why are you exhausted? Was it work or what happened? So I'm about to show you how simple it is. Because it's very simple. You open up Mix It Up. Oh, that sounds very fun, Fee. After you log in, you can go to pick channel points, add comment to existing reward, or create a new one. I just select the, for example, headpad the zombie. Select VTube Studio, add VTube Studio not connected. Let's connect it then. Services. VTube Studio connect, I think. Does it work? Let's see. It works. It's connected. I'm already lost, yeah. Jesus Christ. Go back. Go back to your place. Edit and run hotkey with the zombie gigolo model and run. Where it is? Where's the headpad? Headpad here. Please let me turn off for. And disable it. So when I run this, it will run like this. It works. Save it. And now when I check the Twitch channel points, it's there. And if you guys redeem it, it works. And I spent like 2 hours jumping off rocks into sea with family. Yeah, that sounds lovely. Very fun. Loved every second, but it was very, yeah, just.
I was just looking at my ceiling. Not sure if it's the best ceiling in the world, but it's definitely up there.
Bigger, goddammit! Oh. And yes, you should eat something. Eating is very useful for you. So yeah, soda. The hand for the headpad is well, the trigger for it, yes. But anything else works in VTube Studio. Where is it? Everything else is in here. Like, it's right here. Not the bagel one. Here it is, headpad. Everything else is set up here. Sada, what did you do and why should I be worried? So yeah, if I show you the headpad again, it should be running through Mix It Up now. Where is it? See, it works. Because I'm gonna set up the headpad for, yeah, you can easily do that with this event. Well, it just, you turn on the visibility of an OBS item. Like, let me, yes, I want exit. Thank you. I don't use Mix It Up, but it's there. All right, Pete, thank you for dropping by. For you, Levi, you want it simple, right? I made my model cuter. Nice. All right, we have fun with your vacation. Have fun and bye-bye. Thank you for dropping by. All right, just bon appetit. First of all, let me install the Levi. You will get an OBS plugin, which is the, not this one, but this one. Get this and install it for your OBS. You can install it by just following me right now. Go to here. You get to here and scroll down until you find either the installer exe. That's the easiest for you. But for me, I want a zip. But the installer will work for you just fine. Just for your case, I'm going to download the zip because I want the zip. Just so I can show you how it looks. I'm downloading the installer for you, Levi, so pay attention. It's downloaded. I'm gonna exit this one here. Yeah, I'll run it anyway. OBS is currently a stream. What do you mean active? What is active? I'm not even streaming with you. Yes. It has a setup here. Next. The fuck are you on about here? Browse. Search your. Usually it will find your OBS version because I'm having a special setup. You don't need to find it, but just search for your OBS plugins, OBS Studio folder, which for me this is it. Next, I don't know why it has it installed. Installed. We go back and start OBS table. And if we look under tool, you should have advanced scene switcher here. Click it, and it's not this. This is wrong. Great. Fucking A. That's why I like the zip one, because it's wrong. Oh. Ah. ENvtuber Studio. I think it's control scroll. Oh god, oh god, I'm scrolling myself. Help, I'm upside down. Help me, Beagle. Help me, Beagle. This is not normal. Ah. Can I go back? Ah, yes, I can scroll myself back. But control scroll, and you go back to my shoulder, you little shit. So I messed up with this one, but doesn't matter because all I need to do is just copy these over and just overwrite it. Do I need to do this? Yes, because you're in the wrong place anyway. See? And if I start it again, you're welcome, so you're welcome. Also, yes, gamer book. Do you want some guys energy drinks? So you can do shit like this like me, because I don't have enough energy by default. But I can have some energy with energy drinks that I can get 10% off gamer book. Use code NaGeL Bailey. Yes, sure. I really need to create a better pop-up for it. And workspace, yes, content creation, backups, OBS. You know what? Don't even need that. This is perfect here. There. And now if we go to advanced scene switcher, it is 1.7c. And Levy, this is for you. So let's go to the PNG model here in studio mode, because why not? Hey Fluffles, welcome. How are you? And welcome to the Graveyard Club. Have a seat, grab a drink, enjoy the show. How are you, Fluffles? Just in case, I'm adding an image here. You did do it? Image, pet. I'm doing good. Just teaching something to Levi. And Levi, I'm adding an image source here. That's gonna have the probably at pet somewhere. Resources, images. I don't know where it is. But you know what? I'm just adding a general image like this one. It's fine. It's fine. You don't have to worry about it. It's fine. I'm so good at this very big streamer pens. Well, you will get it as soon as we see it on stream. We have the image here now. And you can turn it off, Levi. Go back to the advanced ENvtuber. Create a new macro. Call it headpad. Here, select a +1. And instead of scene, you want streaming. Not streaming. Twitch. There should be a Twitch one. Add your own account. Like NaGeL Bailey VT. Well, NaGeL wants some coffee and vodka, yes. But it's more like energy drink. Check using connection. Yes, connect account. And gonna ask for my account. Authorize it. And I just did it. We had to get the token. Get the token already. Why are not getting the token? A new connection. Connect. And it doesn't work. Great. Never mind, Levi. I will. For some reason, the simplest one didn't work. Because it should have been all inside OBS. Okay. Let's change the default app to Brave. Not Firefox, but Brave. Let's try to connect it again. Oh, that thing. Really? And at least this worked now. So Levi, you're still paying attention? I'm doing this for you and not done, but point was redeemed. So what kind of bots? And select the headpad what you want. Okay, what should the bot do, Sada? Because even Mix It Up is a bot or Advanced Scene Switcher or POC. Or, well, streamer bots. So yeah. So if Twitch channel your channel Levy, points reward redeemed, headpet zombie or headpet, then you want to do following. Add another in here. Add the following, and in the switch scene, you want the scene item visibility. Select the scene. This whole thing is for me is PNG model. I want it to show the headpad. And when you run this, it should appear here. Like, see, inside OBS. Soda, you're talking in such vague terms, I cannot even think of what you're referring to. Commands. Several bots can do that. What kind of commands? And Amy, I see you started the fire. And yeah, this is it, Olevi. But if you want to time it, you can add another one like instant scene switch visibility. It's timer and just not timer. No. Wait for, like, for example, 30 seconds. Add another one of this, drag it down, and hide. So the many bots can do that, but for mine, it's mostly my local one or stream elements. And now if we run the command again, headpet the zombie, that will appear for 30 seconds. Similarly like this. And as soon as my hands are gone, so will the headpet heads will go on, so will it's fine. Or so, or around that. See? Levi, did you get that? Levi, did you get that? You are saying that if I would understand anything clearer for me. Well, Sada, if you tell me what the command should be and what it should do, I can easier help you out. You're welcome, Levi. See? Levi said something exact. I could answer him the simplest way I know. And even showed him how to do it. And he has video evidence of it, and he can go, look, you are talking to the most technology. I get, no. But even you have a desire, so what the bot should do, on what? If you can tell me that, I can tell you the answer. What should be the command be? And what should the comment answer be? If you can tell me these two, I can answer you. And let me turn on the light a bit, please. It's getting dark. We can go back to Firefox. So yeah, we had that little detour, but yeah. Let's go. I'm tired to work on it. Really? Be like that. Can I get a variable? No. This is not what I want. All right, all right. Sorry, just got. Second. Okay. I'm telling you, I might make some memos though. Need more pixels. Yeah, we do need more rats, or you need more rats. And for this, I still need. I am folder to watch. 5 was added. Browse just a random folder. Like, let's go with desktop. Usually. Here it is, macros. Process name. This is what I want. Process name. Finally. So I want a variable. You can set the condition value. Yes. New variable. Test name is process name. Process name. Process increment factor. Yes. Yes. I did do that 2 and 3 months patch, so I need to like 3 more, I think, or was it? I don't know. Honestly, I think mine is. I only have it for like a year or so. Honestly, I don't even know. Let me check, because now I'm not even sure. Yeah, I only have it up to year 1, but I can do it up to year 3 now. Jesus Christ. Oh, okay, that's even works. Okay, I have that now. Oh, I can tell you the spacing. I can tell you the spacing. That's blah 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 blah. I just checked it. What the hell is this? Ah, yeah. Subscriber badges. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, year. 1.5 year, 2 year, 2.5 year, 3 year. I don't need you anymore, but we can place you higher above. And I want to change. I don't want you. I want you copy, paste. Where it is. Freaking hell, go above. Perfect. So here is the second one. I want the variable to change truncate, remove the 3 of process name, no, less 4, and I only have like OBS 64 then. Because we removed the last 4 letters from right. Thus, we have OBS 64. Hey, Tonchono, welcome, welcome. How are you? Welcome to the Graveyard Club. Have a seat, grab a drink, enjoy the show. How are you? We should have only right. So if we add another paste action, try to put it above here. Okay, not that above, but around here. Say around here. I just want to see what the variable is. What do you mean set to scene item name at index? No. What the hell? No. Increment. What? No. Why can't I see the freaking value? Oh well. I do have Sada. You're asking the wrong guy right now. I don't know. Because my mind is not about emotes right now. Hell, even I have a lot of emote slots, but I never really expanded it. Because I really don't use a lot. How much do I even have? Let me check. I have 5 standard emotes. I have 8 tier 1 emotes, 8 animated, but I never use, 10 animated, which is 6 is free. I never really used it all of it. Hell, I didn't even unlock a lot. If I want to unlock more emote, I need to get 40 subscriber points. No wonder I never really expanded, because I do not have space for it. I have an idea for animated, but I lack the skill. If it's pixel art, maybe ask ENvtuber. He knows more about the pixel art and animation of that kind. He might be able to help you with that. Can I set incremental factory again? Incremental factory. Incremental factory. Is incremental factory.exe. Let's get down. And I do need to change one thing. That is do I need to select any process? Or can I say any exe process works? And after I truncated, I want to append a variable the instant approval strike is be happy about it. Not one cry. Paste action, and I want you to go upward here. And not truncate. Append variable, or rather I need to put something beforehand it. The S. Can I set this fixed value, but not like this? Set to get, mathematical expression. No. Aha. Not truncate. Bad. No. Wait. Aha! Okay. Set to something of current value. I can use regular expression. Nice, you're happy about nice. To create, to expand it, append what I want. Right. Huh? Set to action volume, no. I think that's the only one I can do, but append doesn't help. Append variable doesn't help. Increment doesn't help. Set to condition value doesn't help. Set to action value doesn't help. Run to nearest integrate doesn't help. Yeah. Macro property again doesn't help. Yeah, the only one that can help me is set. Where it is? Set a substring of current value, and the substring should be everything, but let me check something again. Variable. I was already here. Variable action. Yes. Does it has any? On regular no, nothing. Great. But I think Qt is regular expression. Qt is the framework it's used, OBS using Qt, regular expression. Which one is does it use? This is a good reference about regular. Regular expression or regex is a very powerful tool. Yes, and it uses Perlite. Okay. Question. Regex 101. Perfect. You know what? I might even able to just do the whole, like, is firefox.exe and obs64.exe. We're doing some regular expression, people. And let's go with incremental. Did I copy it in time? I did not. Fuck. Did I fuck up my save? Oh god, no. Okay. Thank god. Did it do it? Please let me say, did it do it? Did it do it? Nope. L10 incremental factory.exe. Be happy about it. And we want, I have zero idea which one. Let's go with Perl 1. Perl 1. Python 1. Or PCRF. Because that's Perl. Okay, it's PHP, but even PHP uses similar to Perl 1. And if I insert my regular expression here, like dot, that is everything, and I want everything. That's in one sitting. And can I... allow party on match case insensitive? That's very important. Dot doesn't match new line. And that matches the start or the end of the line. I do need that. So it needs to be case insensitive. It doesn't need to be multi-line. It needs to be insensitive. But I do need a multi-line one. Because that's the one that does the causes that these want to match the beginning and end of the line, not only beginning and end of the string. So what I need is to find the exe. That is, I think I can do it by saying the literal exe like this at the end of the line. No? Not. That's match a single character represented list in Bell. No, I need a literal. I need a literal one. Or I need to type it like this. Yeah, much as any character except line terminator. And I'm grouping it like this. So the first match group 1 is what I need. And what I need is later on add to it. Assign value of 1 match using regular exception. I'm pressing everything but what I don't want to. Let's see if this works. Or maybe we can find something here because I want to change the variable. Properties. Oh, you can, huh? What the hell? Property. Right, yes. What is ink? Current value should be no. Can you show me the current value? Huh? Please. Source. I'm gonna add a text here. Debug. Ah, perfect. I can see it. Then we go in that setting. Let's select our new debug. Text. We don't have it here. Why not? I say debug. Set text to. And we can insert it into how again? Process name. It's not even running. If process anything runs. OBS 6. But why? Ah. The condition did change. I'm not focused. Wait. Streamer bot did change. Current foreground percent did change. Oh, because the condition value is anything, it doesn't detect it as changing. Jesus Christ. Okay, I see the problem. I see the problem. Oh. Oh, this is. Okay. Jesus, this is fucking disco. Please wait a minute. I want it to set to fixed volume. And if I want to set it to fixed, can I use Airbus can be used in scenes? Yes. Text feed, yes. What I want is regular expression. So let's see. It's not a fixed value. Find and replace regular expression. Allow party on much case insensitive. Text to find .ext. And I don't want you to replace it with anything. That's fine. That wasn't fine. I use variables are supported, but how do I get the I'm a bit stumped right now, which is there is some scripting here. Ah, I could use scripting here, but I don't want to use that here. Mm-hmm. Append. I need to append it, but in the beginning. That's the issue I'm having. Literal one. I want it other way around. That way, yeah. No? Yeah. It doesn't work. Winner rep is a current follow, yeah. Fucking hell, doesn't work. That's substring. Where's the music? Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the Graveyard Club. Have a seat, grab a drink, enjoy the show. How are you? Welcome, Sovok. How are you? How did you find your way to me, if I may ask? Good to hear, good to hear. Welcome. I am trying to automate some scene switching for myself in OBS. And I'm using Advanced Scene Switcher for it, but I might do something else because I need to manipulate the process name a little bit. Because here is my testing string. I need to turn this into... Can you pause for a bit? I was just curious to search up songwriters, because sure. I need to turn this into something like this. Ash GT game name. And all I have is, well, the process name. Here is the game name, Imprecamenta Factory. And I need to turn this into usable string. And I'm trying to figure out how. Yeah. Also, song requests are on, so if you want to have some song, go ahead and request it. And did that work? Well, yeah, is it? No, it is from backup list. That did not work. that's... I don't think that's a valid YouTube link either. But it should be working, no? See? It does work. Yeah. It's fine. Oh. Why are you not changing the process name, huh? Where function only on condition change. Isapro hit twice in a row. Nice! Congrats on that, Sada. Congrats. Okay, set substring of current value. Process name. Jeez, what the fuck? Congrats. Jesus. Or, okay, I'm doing this wrong then. No. Let's... I want to find the exe part. And replace with nothing. And after that, we have another value that we create a new set fixed value, and it's not process name. We got a new one. I say scene prefix. Oh, I'm sorry, that's the name. That's gonna be say variable. Scene game capture. I don't need to really save it. SG gatesay, yes. And underneath variable, I want to set a new variable, that is the scene name, as scene prefix plus process name. Hey, did I tell you I saw lightning strike right? What? Amy, what? And if everything goes well, I say scene name should be the thing I want. Like this. Back to the game. Yeah, Scene incremental factory. It always needs to run. No duration more higher. And is running. Yes. HGGC, and that's my scene name, right? Because if I go to studio mode and go to scene name, almost the same name. Are you okay, OBS? No, you are not okay. Can you stop that? Thank you. Can I remove this? I don't really need it anymore. I was considering going out in thunderstorm and both took the tree right in front of my, so I say nope. Well, maybe that was the divine intervention to don't go outside. Can I delete you? I don't really need you anymore. Or maybe I... just save variable value. And I don't need to create it here. Yeah. Okay, but that's... It did change, motherfucker. So why are you not changing the debug text, huh? Okay, now you're setting it. Oh. In name. For some reason, it forget this part. Yeah, now it works. And it's incremental factory. Is that the same? Why is the program switching when I'm not? I think my studio mode is broken. That's... Now I know why. Now it's properly working. Okay, let's go back to this one. And go back over here then. And yeah, I'm copying right now because I'm just jumping. You can do that, don't worry. I am just trying to incremental factory. Did this rename this as well? If not, I need to rename it. Need to rename it here. Yes. Okay, back to the I come back to listen to God text up, then I leave a bit for a bit. Who are you watching, if I may ask? With peak cuteness. Okay, and can I do an if here? No, but I can do the detect process. Eva, Shigi. I don't know who Eva is. I think I'll rename it. And add the game process. And if variable is I need a scene list. I just most flew right before me. And again, I don't know who Eva is, so. Hmm. Hmm. Scene. Previous scene matches, that doesn't help me either. So maybe I cannot do this here. You know what? Let's see, advanced switcher cannot do this. Let's use our second option. And that is StreamerBot. So let's try it. And detect game automation. Where let's add them all. Blocking. Game detection. Why can't I fucking write? The game detection. And query is game detection, which is blocking. And trigger. Folder watcher global variable. Processes. Process started. Sada. Okay, let's remain with just custom one. So test trigger. What I want is to detect the current running process. NI system. Is a run program. Huh. Okay. It does not help, sadly, because StreamerBot can run processes or detect when it's started or closed, but that cannot see what is currently focused on. Which is fine, not fine for me, but I get it why. Not an easy thing to do. Which I hate currently. But it is what it is. So what I want to do is not that easy. Because what I need to do is okay, I cannot do what I want to do at that moment, but at think I can set up our process. What is a third game I can run easily? Oh. Haven't touched idle slayers in a while. Maybe that's so. I want is something that let's say the game detection can be default because I'm just odd game to OBS. Or currently I'm gonna use testing. What I want is an input from me. Can it do input for me? It should be able to ask for input. What the hell? Huh? Okay, something's not adding up here. Not ratify, set no globals. Get input, finally, okay. And since I'm running in the Slayer, we have the program itself. And that works, right? Yeah, it should be working. So if I add the exe to the whole thing, so what game to add? What game to add? In process. It got the process in OBS. All right. I need to send it in raw. Holy fuck, this is gonna be a bit more complicated than I thought. But it is possible. OBS raw generator. Maybe this is what I need. Create scene. Yeah. Oh. OBS raw, create scene. Is this? Yes. Julio, because then WebSocket 7 connect. It is running with WebSocket enabled. But it doesn't work, huh? Oh, yeah, that is correct. Or doesn't likes it being here. Let's try somewhere else then. I'm trying here, guys. Even I'm stumped right now. OBS Studio is running with WebSocket enabled, bitch. Oh well. Well, it has it here, so I don't really care. Scene name. I keep forgetting streamer, but how do you do? Streamer bot variable. Here it is. Yeah, generic ones, but yeah, I don't need a generic ones, and I need an actual one that we get from this one. That puts in the game process one. So if everything works out, it should be this. Because after this, we still manipulate some variables, but differently now. We're gonna set the scene name. Scene name to process in process. And after that, we're saying the scene name to game process. And in that, I also, I can only do one. What happens if I'm sending? What? Copy OBS raw. Let's try it. What happens? Well, it did create something. It's just not the one thing I want. Idle Slayer. And action history. I don't see any new scenes. But the scene name is correct. Oh, fuck. Of course, I don't see it. Because it's not there. Can you rerun it? Request. We'll ask it. Whew, guys. This might be complicated, more complicated than I thought. Because in my head, it isn't that complicated. And there should be a new scene called Idle Slayer. Yes, it's right here. And it created it, which is perfect. Now, can I add source? Create source. I can create scene. Create scene item. Wait, what's the source name? What is source? Wait, I cannot create sources via streamer bot. Huh? OBS WebSocket create source. OBS WebSocket raw. I am stumped right now, just not raw regenerator. Remote control, yes. I'm gonna go. Okay, then maybe in OBS documentation, because now I am stumped. Knowledge base. WebSocket. Yes. 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 Okay. OBS has cool, but I want to understand how it does it. I want to send raw messages. This is old one. Okay. Wiki. Protocol MD. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. In request type. How do I know the request type? Opcode sits. Cool. Can I have more about this? request. Yes. This is what I want. What do you mean create input? Create new input. It has a scene item to the specific scene. Ah. Levi, I'm trying to figure out what you are doing, but I will. I'm trying to understand how to create scene items in OBS through its WebSocket. Aka, I am sending some kind of message. I'm going to send some kind of message here that will tell OBS to create a scene item with the specification I want. And this is the create input. I'm sure no. Yeah, because it's not. Wow. Scene item request. Yeah, it is complicated. I wasn't thinking it was this complicated. But that's lovely. We are here. Name of scene to create in the new item in. Do the scene create a new item. Name of the source to add this. Name of the source to add to the scene. I want to create the source itself. I am misunderstanding something. Or we cannot create sources itself because it's too complicated. Then I'm fucked. OBS create source via WebSocket. Using OBS comment, the comment parameter shown near the bottom of the documentation. Learn the various websites to create scene item. Using OBS command. But then I need to create scene item. Okay, let's create a scene item. Scene name. We already have it as scene name. And source name. We need. Wait, science. I need to add the full name with the exe. Yeah, it created the full scene. Ooh, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Ah. This surprised me. I was expecting it that we can do it like this, but we can, which very much surprises me. And I don't like surprises. But this doesn't mean I'm defeated with this. It can be done. And it will be done. But maybe not like this. Don't care. OBS is scripting, as you can see. OBS scripting. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. We are not defeated. Okay. This battle is lost, but not the war. Because I will automate this, but it requires a bit more complications, sadly. Which I did not expect. Because I still want to use this format, because it allows me a lot of customization per game if I want to. And when I get back to the triple monitor setup again with ultra wide, I want to stream with ultra wide again. But ultra wide doesn't work with Twitch, sadly. And since then, I need to add some extra effect. And in my OG OBS, I did some extra effects so it looks fancy. Or maybe I'm overcomplicating. You decide. What's up, cat? Yes, that's my microphone you're rubbing against. And you are blocking me of my camera. That's still my microphone. You're in fake cat. Snow? Do not even think about jumping. Cat. I don't know if you hear the cat, but it just meowed. Hope you did. Subtitles here or weird. How did Twitch become bitch? I don't know. Twitch, bitch. Did you hear it, Levy? Oh. Now I'm thinking if it's worth it to going forward like this. But this gives me a lot of control, but a lot of work as well. And I hate full screen games. Full screen Windows at best. But then I don't know if OBS can detect it. You know what? I'm gonna go and try. I'm gonna add a game capture. You see. Full screen. Window. Capture any full screen application that is considered a game. Nice. Please shut up and let's try a game that I know I did in full screen window. Will it capture? It does capture it, and it's borderless mode. It never worked for me. Sometimes I just hate you game. I really do. Does it work now? It does not. Do you work now? You too. And and I wanted to fit it to screen. Okay. I can work with this. Question is, does it work if it's on this screen? On the ultra wide one? patch it up, but that's about it. Let's start a different game. That should be been. It's full screened. And it captures it. Okay. Well, it's full screened, and if I go over here, say full screen back, wait. It does capture it. Look at it. Then I don't need to overcomplicate my fucking OBS. Okay. Because when I started this type of scene setup, it full screen borderless did not work with OBS. Seems like it's been fixed. I never knew. So I don't really need to overcomplicate it anymore. Fucking A. I only need to do it when I want something special. Hey, Biomi, welcome. You've been here all along and never told me. Hey. Welcome, BM. Welcome to the Graveyard Club. Have a seat. Enjoy the show. Okay. This is news to me now. Just came back. Okay. Okay. I can work with this. Because usually one of my screens is always borderless full screen games. And if this time can detect it, then I'm sold. I only need for special cases then. Thank you for being. By the way, if you have any question about OBS or Streamer Bot, go ahead and ask it. It's just annoys me. Now, question is, how does it handle Voice Ranger, which is a special case? So, Voice Ranger, how do you handle this one? You do not handle it. You need this, don't you? Yep, you need this then. You utter bitch. Wow. But other pro of my styles do you have volume knob for each game? I'm thinking if I want to use my method or not. Each time I want to set up a game, I need to set up the scene, edit the scene items, sources, and after that. But then I can automate it via scripting which again, something nice to do. So yeah, you know what? I'm gonna keep it. I won't be using this one because it's unreliable when it does it, when it doesn't. But when I'm setting up myself, it isn't. It just, I need to do it by hand. That's it. By the way, Bio. Have you seen my finished product with the TV intro and all that? With all the bells and whistles. I just like to show it off. We have the intro TV. Yeah, with all the bells and whistles. It's just so nice. What the fuck? Why didn't you work, bitch? Last time I checked. Okay, now you're working. Alright, because I restarted it. And when it restarts, it needs at least one setup so it works. One switch to work. Minimum. And even this one needs at least one, huh? Why are you such a utter bitch? This isn't... Ooh. Vertical scene transition just doesn't want to work. Yeah, it's very cool, but for some reason, whenever I restart it, it just... Yeah, it forgets. I need to reselect it. And then it works. And that's annoying. And I might ask Andy Lippy of this issue. See, now it works. The bitch. Right now, no, but I am gonna with this new one. And yes, I'm using Vertium vertical, basically. Vertical. It's Atium vertical. And you can do it like this. But what I am actually using now is Atium multi-stream, which is why I can stream both to here and YouTube. And this works quite nicely. Easy to set up, easy to use. It just works. And works with the vertical one as well. Now it works quite nicely. I have like old school OBS script going for YouTube, what really? Right now I am directly streaming to YouTube. But, you know what? I'm gonna admit defeat that what I wanted to do right now did not pan out. But that doesn't mean I will give up. This is a script ID I can create. And I probably will because I want to automate it. I want to make my life easier. But I wanted to do it on the stream to show it that it is possible with simple tools. But sadly, with simple tools, it's not possible. Really? Really? They're adding new ways to fucking bypass the best viewers shit. Really? Freaking hell. I'm banning these freaking phrases left and right. Where's the moderation? I always forget. I hate doing this, but it needs to be done. Yeah, they're adding new ones with Discord links now too. It's more like I'm just doing the whole adding phrases here. Best viewers on, cheap viewers at, and all this. So it's banned. You cannot utter it. Jesus Christ. Yeah, they're freaking annoying. Luckily, Seribot does the job quite well, but not before it says it. So usually appears in the chat. It's annoying. Anyway, today's goal was not achieved, but we did learn some more. And next time, we're probably gonna do the whole model setup because the game setup is done. After that, we're gonna get set up my 2D model properly, the ENvtuber properly, and 3D model properly, and incorporate it into proper scenes. After that, probably finish the vertical ones, and after that, redeems, and after every vote controls like streamer, bot, and whole like that, or mix it up, whichever. I will probably be using streamer bot, but I dabble in mix it up as well. So anyway, I am finishing here for YouTube. Thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna finish it here. And for Twitch, I'm gonna rate somebody who I used to know. And let's see who is doing what. Since I'm in the freaking, whatchamacallit, software and game development category, let's search for somebody there. And rate channel, let's see. Same category. GD scripting. Godot. EP test. That's something else. I have zero idea. Tyrok is reading Lord of the Rings. Let me check the category. Anybody who's doing OBS work or something like that? Or I'm the outlier. Ah, software exploration. What you're doing? The hell? Oh, this is testing. Never mind. Test-driven development. I don't know who to rate, but I do want to rate someone. Any ideas, guys? Let's search OBS. Let's see what do we get up. Live chance tag the OBS, sure. I really don't know. I'm searching for someone, anyone. I really don't know. You know what? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. You're the lucky hoe. There's a guy who's creating a horror game dev. Been at it for 6 minutes. And you know what? Fuck it, we're going to him. Why? Because I say so. Thank you for being here. Thank you. So, read. And read message. I don't know who he is, but he's creating his own little horror game with some development. Let's give him some love. I can even show you here. We're going to him. So yes. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching me. Have a nice day, evening, whatever have you. Bye-bye.